Hello students, today we will cover an interesting chapter that is Reach for the Top Part 1 Santosh Yadav. This is a biographical sketch of the great woman of India or the youngest mountaineer of India. She is Santosh Yadav. As we know, there are many women, those who achieve their goal in their life. They have reached the top. They had achieved their goal, like Saina Nehwal, Sania Mirza, Mary Kom, and many more. And Santosh Yadav is also one of them. She is a courageous lady who crossed all the hurdles and she reached to her aim. She finally got success in her life and she became the first youngest woman in the world who recorded to climb the Mount Everest twice. So this article is about Santosh Yadav, the first woman in the world to climb Mount Everest twice. Her story is inspiring. Despite being born in a skewed society which did not welcome the birth of girl child, where girls were married off at 16, she made her own path, followed her desires, and achieved world fame. In India is a country where people did not welcome the birth of a girl child. Means there is still little discrimination among male child and female child. But Santosh Yadav is the woman who had above all this discrimination and she created her own desires, own path to achieve the success. When this article was written, Santosh Yadav was the only woman in the world to have climbed the Mount Everest twice. She was born in a society where biased towards having a male child over a female child. Although they did not consider the birth of a girl child to be unfortunate, but it was not celebrated either. When Santosh was to be born, a saint imagining that Santosh's mother wanted a son, blessed her that she would beget a son. As she already had 5 sons, Santosh's grandmother did not want a son. The son was amazed to hear this and blessed her alternatively. The blessing turned into reality as Santosh was born. When Santosh was to be born, her mother wished to get a son, but her grandmother did not want another son because she had already 5 grandsons. So she wanted a granddaughter, and it became fruitful. And the saint blessed the mother with a daughter. She was the youngest child and a sister to 5 brothers. Santosh was born in a village named Jania was in Rewari district of Haryana. She belonged to Haryana. Though the meaning of Santosh's name is satisfaction, but she was not satisfied with her life. She wanted something more. She wanted to live her life with own choice. She created her own path. While other girls wore traditional Indian dresses like salwar kameez, she preferred wearing shorts. Santosh recollects that she was determined to live life according to what she felt was right for her. If she was right in her way, then others would have to change their way and not her. Santosh Yadav was a lady who wanted to live her life with own wishes and She was not like the other women of the society. She, she wore everything of her own choice. She lived her life with her own choice. Santosh's parents owned land and were wealthy. They could even afford the money to send their children to study in school in Delhi, which was near their village. She belonged to a wealthy family. They had sufficient land. They could afford to send their child to Delhi for their study. But Santosh was studying in the village school. At the age of 16, as most of the girls in their village were married off, she was also pressurized by her parents for getting married. But Santosh was not agreed with her parents' choice. She wanted to study more, and finally she fulfilled her wish. And for higher study, she went to college. Santosh left home and get admission in a school in Delhi. Her parents refused to fund her, but she gently replied that she would pay her for herself her studies by working part-time. So when Santosh's parents denied to pay for her for her study, Santosh agreed with their choice, and she said that I would pay for myself by doing the part-time job. Upon seeing her determination, the parents softened their stand and agreed to pay for her education. Due to her determined determination, her parents also agreed with her, and finally they pay for her study. Santosh wanted to be highly qualified, and her father accepted her wish. After passing high school, she joined Maharani College at Jaipur and stayed at the Kasturba hostel. Santosh wanted to do higher study, and that's why she got admission after her high school exam. And where did she get admission? In Maharani College at Jaipur, and she stayed in Kasturba hostel. The Aravali hills were near the hostel. Often she saw villagers climbing the hills and disappearing behind it. Her hostel was situated near the Aravali hills, and people of that locality climbed the Aravali hills and they disappeared. So, Santosh Yadav was little curious to know where did they go. She was curious to know what beyond the hills, and one day she decided to find out. Santosh found a few mountaineers who allowed her to join them in their mountaineering expedition. So, to know about the truth of the disappear, she went to the near the hills, and she found some mountaineer there, and she joined with them for climbing. Since then, Santosh progressed gradually to become an accomplished mountaineer. And after that day, she did not look back, and she progressed gradually. She wanted to become a mountaineer. She saved money to get enrolled in a mountaineering course at Nehru Institute. Santosh saved money to get enrolled in mountaineering course in the Nehru Institute of Mountaineering at Uttarkasi, and finally she joined there. At her college semesters and got delayed, and she did not have time to visit home before reporting the Nehru Institute, and wrote a letter of apology to her father because she was enrolled for course without his permission. Without her father's permission, she enrolled in Nehru Institute for Mountaineering, and by managing both the college study and mountaineering course, she could not report in her family, means she could not go to her house. That's why she wrote an apology letter to her father that without his permission he enrolled there. Santosh went on expedition every year and improved her skill gradually. She developed her immunity to cold weather and heights. To be a good mountaineer, she developed her own skill and even developed her immunity and because to absorb the cold weather and the height. Santosh had the quality of physical strength, mental strength, and strong willpower. She had the strong determination with a good physical strength and mental strength and a strong willpower. In 1992, 4 years after her first casual climb on Aravalli Hills, she climbed Mount Everest. In 1992, for the first time, she climbed Mount Everest when she was 20 years of age. And after that, Santosh became the youngest woman in the world to climb the peak. Her seniors were impressed by her quality of physical strength, mental strength, and strong willpower. Her companion on expedition found her to be concerned for others and willing to work as a team. Santosh Yadav had a good team spirit. She was a lady of good cooperation and helping nature. She was always willing to help others when she went for any expedition. During the expedition to Everest, she tried to save a fellow climber but was unsuccessful. When she was climbing Mount Everest, at that time she tried to save her companion, but she could not. But she was successful in saving another fellow climber, that is Mohan Singh, who fell short of oxygen by sharing her oxygen with him. And how did she save his another companion's life? By sharing her oxygen. Next year, in 1993, she had joined a group of Indo-Nepalese mountaineer women. Then she climbed the peak the second time, becoming the only woman to have climbed the Everest twice. And next year she became the woman who climbed the Mount Everest twice in the whole world. And this time she climbed Mount Everest with Indo-Nepalese mountaineer women. Santosh made India proud by getting her name recording in the historic records of mountaineering. The Indian government honored her achievement by giving her the Padma Shri Award. And for her achievement in 2001, she got Padma Shri Award, which is the most prestigious award of India. Santosh recollects her feeling when she was literally at the tip of the world. She took time to realize that she had achieved something big. Santosh Yadav says that when she finally reached to the top, she took some time to realize that she finally reached there. Means it was unbelievable for her that she finally achieved the aim or the point to where she wanted to reach. And there she hoisted the Indian flag atop Mount Everest on the highest point of the world. She cannot put the great feeling into words. And she says she could not express her feeling and emotion that when she finally reached to the top and where she hoisted the national flag of India. It is beyond the expression. She felt proud to be an Indian. She believes in preserving the environment. She did her bit by bringing down 500 kilograms of garbage from Himalayas. She was a real environmentalist. She loves the nature. She loves to save the nature, and finally she did it. When she bringing down from Mount Everest, at that time she collected 500 kilograms of from Himalayas mountain. She she had brought down 500 kilograms of garbage, and she cleaned the mountain. It was a small attempt of her, but it is a big effort to save the nature. This chapter inspire all the students, means all the society, not only the students but the whole society, to be determined. Whenever we determine ourselves, when we show our strong will, the show our strong mental strength and physical strength, then only we can achieve something, then only we can reach our goal. And this chapter is a good giving a good message that we should be determined, strong. We should have a strong willpower, and be a lover of nature. Thank you.